Hello friends, welcome to our channel Diya Happy Vlogs. If you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and click on the notification icon to get instant updates. Today we are going to see puja backdrop for Deepavali or Lakshmi Puja. So let us get started and see how we are going to do that. For this, we are going to need a cardboard of rectangle shape. Cut the cardboard on the edges, make it smooth. Then we will need one scissors, masking tape, and four garlands, along with one blouse piece. Here I am using raw silk blouse piece so that it matches with the saree that I am going to use after the backdrop. I am going to wrap the cardboard with the blouse piece. Along all the four sides, I am going to fold the blouse piece and secure them with a cello tape or masking tape. To run out of the cello tape, I am using the masking tape for the DIY activity today. I am going to pull the blouse piece tightly on all the four corners or all the four sides and also use ball pins to secure the back. After pulling the blouse piece on all the sides firmly, I am going to cut a plaster into small pieces and paste them. Now this is how it looks after pasting all the plasters. Now let's get started with garland decoration. I'm going to fold the string ends with a plaster both the sides of the garland. Later I'm going to do the same thing or repeat the same thing for the remaining garlands too. With step 1. Now let's get started with step 2, for which I'm going to pick all the garlands for which we have folded the strings at the edges. I'm going to place the yellow garland on both the sides, which is on the longer length, and going to pin it. You can also use ball pins to pin the garland to the cardboard. I'm going to repeat this process for all the garlands. First I'm going to place the yellow garland one on the left side and the second one on the right side, which I'll be showing in some time. Now I'm going to repeat this process using the second yellow garland that I have, and I'm placing it on the other longer side and I'm securing it with a stitch. You can also use ball pins, which I stated like earlier. I have picked the orange mala. I'm going to place this or use it in the center. So for which I'm going to fold and see the length and fold it. You can also adjust the mala as per the length of the garland. Since the one I'm using is 5 feet long, I'm adjusting it. Once the fixing is done, I'm going to fix it with the stitching, or you can also use a ball pin like I stated earlier. I'm going to stitch them so that it doesn't fall when we are doing puja. Now once this is done, I'm going to repeat the process on the next side also with the orange mala that I have. placing the second orange mala and adjusting the height so that it matches with the first mala that I have placed. I'm going to make sure the center 4 strings are matched or of same length. I'm going to stitch the mala to the cardboard. You can also put few knots here and there so that it is firm and it doesn't fall down. After stitching the mala or pinning the mala to the cardboard, this is how it's gonna look. Now I'm going to use a lace which I have at home, and luckily it matches with the saree or the backdrop that I'm going to use. To stitch it on the edges. Stitch it to the cardboard like I'm going to show. I'm going to cover it on 3 sides and give it like a frame. I have few pendants at home which are of leaf shape, so I thought I will use them as toranam. Now we are going to the next step. For this we are going to need a saree. Now I'm going to hold the edges of the saree and pull it through the curtain rod until it reaches the ground. I'm going to secure it with cloth pins at the top. Now I'm getting the puja stool which I have at home and then going to place this puja background on it. I am placing 2 big diyas on the stand, post which I am going to place the idol in the center. We can also hang LED lights around the saree so that it gives a rich and vibrant look. Now this is how our puja backdrop looks. It is rich and vibrant with the colors. Hope you enjoyed watching this beautiful and vibrant puja backdrop. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family.